Okay, so here I am in Gunung Ledang Resort. See here, I'm gonna try to get to the waterfalls, the Puteri waterfalls, and maybe the summit if I'm feeling ambitious. So it's a huge mountain. I don't know if you guys can see. It's the largest mountain in Johor, Bahru state here in Malaysia. And that's the southernmost state of Malaysia, in northern Malaysia. So, I don't know, pretty cool. Yeah, peace out. So I'm starting to climb up the mountain, and it's all the directions are in Malay, so I don't know if I'm going the right way or not, but I'm gonna try to make it. So it's beautiful here. Supposedly I'm gonna see a waterfall, and there's some people swimming over in that little pool area. But here we go. I'm excited to get started, and I'm hoping I don't trip while I'm making this video. Alright. Pretty. Whew. So here I am. There's a really tall tree here. Pretty cool. Oh my word, it's so hot. It's 90-degree weather and I'm wearing a sweatshirt. You may be asking yourself why. Well, it's because Malaysia is a predominantly Muslim country, so everyone dresses here very conservatively. And I, out of respect, feel a little uncomfortable wearing a tank top, so I've decided to wear a sweatshirt for the first few minutes of the trek. But I think I'm going to be taking it off pretty soon because I am warm. Alright. I'm in the Malaysian jungle. Hear all those sounds, oh my word. And I'm in here with no bug spray. Hopefully, I make it out alive. So this is part of the waterfall right here. It goes up a little more. I'll get over there in a little bit. But I did hear some sad news. I guess you have to book an expedition trip to get to the summit, and it leaves at 7 a.m. and I missed it. I would come back tomorrow, but I will be on my way to Indonesia. So, looks like it's not gonna happen. It's unfortunate, but at least I'm gonna see the waterfall. Woo! You see the minnows? They're in there. So this is some more of the waterfall. There it zooms in. So it's very, very pretty. So I almost slipped right there, almost lost it, but I'm alive. There's some more people. I ran into them right after I took off my sweatshirt. I was embarrassed, but it's an absolutely massive rock. Woo! Waterfall! Malaysian Waterfall! Malaysian Waterfall! Malaysian Waterfall!